To add an email subscribe form on your Wix website, access the site editor. Log into your Wix account and navigate to your website's dashboard. Enter the site editor for the specific page where you want to add the email subscribe form. Add element. Click on the plus add button or the add icon on the left-hand side of the editor. Select subscription form. In the add panel, choose contacts and forms or apps. Look for the subscribe form or newsletter sign up element. You may need to scroll or use the search bar to find it. Drag and drop. Click on the subscribe form element, drag it to the desired location on your web page and drop it there. Customize the form. Click on the edit element to customize it. You can edit the fields, text, color, and design to match your website style and branding. Connect to an email service. Connect the form to your preferred email marketing service or CRM platform. Wix supports integration with various services like MailChimp or Constant Contact. Set up form settings. Configure form settings such as notifications for new subscribers or auto response messages. Preview and publish. Preview the website to see how the form looks and functions. Save your changes and publish the updated page.